If your toilet lid still slams every time it drops, a soft close seat is one of the simplest and most affordable upgrades you can make to any bathroom. Today we're covering 5 of the best soft close toilet seats currently available on Amazon. 1. KOHLER Cachet ReadyLatch. The KOHLER Cachet ReadyLatch is the most fully featured soft close seat on this list at a mid-range price, and it earns the top spot through 2 features that directly improve daily use and routine cleaning. The quiet close hinge slows both the seat and the lid as they descend, bringing them to a silent close regardless of how they are released. This applies to the seat and the lid independently, so dropping just the seat or just the lid both close quietly without any manual effort to lower them gently. The ReadyLatch quick release hinge is where the Cachet separates itself from most soft close competitors. With a standard soft close seat, removing the seat for cleaning typically requires a screwdriver or reaching underneath the bowl to loosen mounting bolts. The ReadyLatch releases with a single press and reattaches with a single click. No tools, no crouching, no awkward angles. The seat lifts clear in seconds and locks back into position just as fast. The grip-tight bumpers grip the bowl rim surface rather than simply resting on it. That grip prevents the seat from rotating sideways under body weight, a gradual drift that develops in most standard seats over months of daily use. Top mount installation requires only a screwdriver and takes most buyers under 10 minutes. As the Cachet ReadyLatch is best suited for homeowners who want a complete, soft close seat with the fastest cleaning access available from a trusted brand. 2. Mayfair Cassel Whisper, close enameled wood. The Mayfair Cassel is the only enameled wood soft close seat on this list, and the material difference between this and a standard plastic seat is noticeable from the moment you sit on it. Wood has lower thermal conductivity than plastic. That means the Cassel does not carry the cold surface temperature that plastic seats develop in unheated bathrooms overnight or during winter. For households where a cold seat is a daily frustration, that material property alone is a practical reason to choose wood over plastic, without any additional features required. The high-gloss enamel finish is applied in multiple coats over the molded wood base. But that multi-coat process creates a surface that resists chipping and staining more effectively than single-layer painted or printed finishes on lower-priced wood seats. The enamel holds its appearance through years of cleaning product exposure that would degrade a thinner surface coating. The Whisper Close hinge delivers the same slow, silent close as the KOHLER Cachet. The lid descends quietly and fully without any manual guidance. The Stay-Tight fastening system addresses hinge loosening, the most common long-term failure mode in toilet seats. Standard mounting hardware loosens gradually over months of daily use and allows the seat to shift sideways. Stay-Tight locks mechanically and does not require periodic retightening. The seat also offers half an inch of front-to-back adjustability at the hinge point, which allows a precise flush fit on non-standard bowl shapes where a fixed hinge position would leave a visible gap. Made in the USA by Bemis, the Cassel is best suited for homeowners who want the warmth and durability of enameled wood combined with a reliable, slow close mechanism. 3. Bath Royale Executive Series. The Bath Royale BR501 stands out in the value category for one specification in particular, a 400-pound weight capacity backed by stainless steel mounting hardware, at a price point where most competitors use plastic bolts and offer no stated weight rating. Most soft-close toilet seats in this price range use plastic mounting hardware. Plastic bolts are adequate for average use but are more susceptible to cracking under repeated stress, particularly in households with heavier users or high daily traffic. And the Bath Royale uses stainless steel hardware throughout the mounting system, which resists corrosion and maintains structural integrity under higher loads over a longer service life. The seat itself is built from 100% polypropylene, a harder, denser plastic grade than the standard ABS plastic used in most budget toilet seats. Polypropylene is more resistant to surface impact, chemical cleaning products, and temperature variation, which contributes to a longer usable lifespan before the surface shows visible wear. 4 bumpers are positioned around the base of the seat rather than the standard 2. The additional contact points distribute seated weight more evenly across the bowl rim, which reduces stress concentration at any single point and keeps the seat more stable under shifting body weight during use. While the slow close hinge brings the lid down silently. The quick release hinge allows tool-free seat removal for cleaning. The 2-year warranty is double the standard 1-year warranty offered by most competitors at this price tier, and customer support is available 7 days a week. The Bath Royale is best suited for budget-conscious buyers who need a higher weight capacity and more durable hardware than standard soft close seats provide. 4. KOHLER Cachet Nightlight. ReadyLatch. The KOHLER Cachet Nightlight adds one specific feature to the standard Cachet platform, a dual-mode LED lighting system, and does so without requiring any electrical outlet or power cord. The lighting operates in two modes depending on the lid position. When the lid is closed, a low-level guiding light glows around the seat, providing enough illumination to locate the toilet in a dark bathroom without turning on the overhead light. When the lid is lifted, a brighter task light activates, illuminating the bowl interior for use. Both modes are designed to provide functional visibility without the brightness level that disrupts night vision or wakes a partner in an adjacent room. 3 adjustable brightness levels allow the light intensity to be set lower for lighter sleepers or higher for bathrooms with no ambient light at all. The system runs on 4 AA batteries with a rated battery life of up to 12 months under normal use, meaning the Nightlight operates for approximately a year before the first battery change. A 10-hour automatic cycle turns the light off during daytime hours to conserve battery life. Because the system is entirely battery operated, its installation is identical to a standard toilet seat. No GFCI outlet is required within reach, no cord runs along the floor, and no electrician is needed. All the core Cachet features carry over: ReadyLatch, quick release hinge, grip-type bumpers, and quiet close slow descent on both seat and lid. The Nightlight Cachet is best suited for households with young children who use the bathroom at night, elderly users who need consistent, low-level guidance lighting, and anyone who wants to avoid overhead lighting during nighttime bathroom visits. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. 5. KOHLER Brevia Quiet Close. The KOHLER Brevia is the most straightforward option on this list. A reliable, soft-close seat from a recognized brand at the lowest price point of any KOHLER product in this category. Voiced with over 12,000 verified Amazon reviews and a 4.6-star average, the Brevia is one of the most purchased soft-close toilet seats across the entire Amazon catalog. That volume of buyer feedback at a consistently high rating indicates a product that fits and functions as described across a wide range of toilet brands and bathroom setups, not just in ideal conditions. The quiet close mechanism uses a hydraulic hinge that slows the lid through the final arc of its descent, bringing it to a silent stop against the bowl regardless of how hard it is pushed down. For households that have lived with a slamming lid for years, the immediate difference is noticeable on the first use. While the grip-type bumpers are the same system used on the premium Cachet, rubber contact points that grip the bowl rim surface and prevent the seat from rotating sideways under body weight. Quick-attach top-mount hardware allows installation with a standard screwdriver without reaching underneath the bowl. The trade-off compared to the Cachet is the absence of ReadyLatch. Removing the Brevia for cleaning requires loosening the hinge screws rather than a single press and click release. For buyers who clean the seat in place, rather than removing it entirely, this distinction is minor. The Brevia is best suited for renters, first-time buyers, and homeowners who want core, soft close performance from a trusted brand at the lowest practical price. You'll find the purchase link in the description below.